Okay, let me put a song. We're making a michelada. It looks weird because of like, you know, it's blue and then it's...
Yeah, this is what we got. That's what we're making right now.
Okay, so first things first, you need your chamoy. It could be any type of chamoy. There's sandía chamoy, tamarindo chamoy, piña chamoy, whatever you want. Today, I'm not sure what we're using.
I think it's the mango one, wasn't it?
I think we're using, yeah, mango one.
Oh, nice.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. None of this is sponsored. So don't buy any of this stuff unless you want to sponsor us. Then buy it. Yeah.
We're going to add our ice. Could be 1/4 of your cup. So then, this is I could never say it right. Worcester.
Worcester? Man, I don't know.
Okay. So then we're gonna do 6 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, 6 drops.
Tapatio. 6 of that.
Dang,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know it's Mexican, we like spicy.
Yeah, I know.
Then, until it looks like something like that. So we have all this little juice stuff in there. Then we got some limes.
This is gonna help me make some. I'm gonna look back in the video. How do you make it again?
We need more lemon. Do you know if we have more? Oh, there's some behind us. Okay, so I would say half a lemon. So basically the half of one. And you put it all in your michelada.
Wow.
Yeah, I know, right? It's yummy. Okay, so then after you're gonna get the clamato. And you're gonna put it so
Oh my god.
like that.
That's not
It's
bad.
like not too much, maybe like 1/3 of the cup. And then we have our Modelo. I like Modelo, I like Pacifico, maybe more like the michelada type of beer, I would say. And a chip, so your michelada doesn't overfill. Do you know how to pour beer?
A little bit.
So you always have to do it to the side like that.
Oh, I don't know how to pour beer.
And then you kind of go up with it. So it never overspills, you know?
Oh wow. Are you gonna put all of it in there?
Yeah. It's just overfilling because of the tajin reaction. So
You're really good for it all.
So then if something happens where it's almost overfill, you always could put something on top so it doesn't overfill. So then...
I'm learning, honestly.
Yeah. Wow. You can even use your fingers sometimes too. Because it's water. Water's always going to try to retain like the surface. So then you're done.
Nice.
And then you repeat it really fast again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This is how you did mine?
Yeah.
Woo! You put a lot of stuff in it.
Yeah, so then you mix it. I'm gonna... Yep. Mix it a little bit. We're gonna put a little bit of tahini on top so it makes it look pretty. But then we have a special ingredient. It's chiles dried up and then blended. So more of like an organic tahini.
A real one.
A real tahini.
You did the same thing with mine?
Yep.
Oh shit.
He's gonna be in the bathroom, guys.
Alright, say bye.
We're gonna take a picture right now.
Yeah.
So bring your meat.